Morning, Steve Fried with the morning grain comments. Grain's a little bit higher today with beans up 9 cents, corn up a penny, and wheat up 7 cents. You've got the outside market, stocks a little bit higher, the dollar's higher, crude's a little bit lower at $79, and gold a little bit higher. I think that, first of all, in the grains, it's weather market, and I think that wheat's adding a little premium because of dryness in Russia and Ukraine, and also that even though the annual Kansas tour estimated the crop at 290 million bushels versus 286 last year and a bigger yield, there is some dryness that could settle in to that area and potentially lowering production. We also note that Europe is wet and that southern Brazil is wet, and that the Midwest could see some shower activity, which could delay final planting, especially of the corn crop. So we're adding a little premium back in there. Down in Brazil, I think that the Brazil soybean premiums were firmer on China buying beans. They bought 23 cargoes this week of Brazil beans, mostly for June and July. They have yet to buy any beans, new crop from the U.S. Over in the corn, Brazil basis is a little weaker because of the lack of China interest. On our bean export sales, Mexico is reducing a little bit of the pace of them buying U.S. corn, as Brazil will be competition for for Mexico business in the August-September timeframe. Meal sales were better than expected, and we'll see if there's any truth to the rumors that the U.S. still plans on putting tariffs on imported used cooking oil. So a little bit of a weather bounce on a Friday going into the weekend, and we'll just kind of see what long-term the weather is in the U.S. Midwest, if that's going to allow beans to trade over $12.50, corn closer to the $5 mark, and wheat closer to $7 or higher.